Ballet. And I give the call to the member for Barton.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. It was a pleasure to recently attend the Mother's Day breakfast hosted at Bexley North Public School. The morning brought together students, parents, carers and teachers to celebrate really the important women in our lives who provide endless love and support to the next generation. And what stood out, Deputy Speaker, to me the most was learning about the school's impressive student parliamentary program. Students take on leadership roles, including the position of Prime Minister, with a ministry set up as well, and they actively participate in debating ideas, presenting and drafting motions, and voting on initiatives that impact school life. And I was very much inspired to see young people developing their confidence, teamwork and public speaking skills at such an early age. And I had the opportunity to speak with some of the students about my role as the federal member for Barton and share some insight into how our parliamentary system operates. And programs like this help bring civics and democracy to life in a very practical and engaging way. So I want to thank you, Ms Danielle Scott, the principal, the PNC, teachers, parents and also the students for organising such a wonderful event and for really fostering a future community leaders with such enthusiasm and care. Deputy Speaker, I recently also had the pleasure of attending an annual dinner of the St George and Sutherland Medical Research Foundation, and it was an evening that highlighted the extraordinary work undertaken in our local health network. I want to sincerely thank Pam Brown and all the members of the board for their dedication, leadership and passion in supporting medical research that changes lives. Their commitment ensures that researchers at St George Hospital and Sutherland Hospital can continue groundbreaking work that improves patient outcomes and strengthens our healthcare system. I particularly want to acknowledge Professor Emad El Omar, who's the Director of the Microbiome Research Centre in Kogarah, whose internationally recognised work on the gut microbiome in advancing our understanding of disease prevention and human health. And I also want to congratulate the grant recipients recognised on the evening, Dr Joyce Chu, Dr Michelle Fitzmaurice, Thiz Sun Jayawaradana and Dr Jennifer Wen Yin Lim. Their dedication and expertise and research excellence gives our community hope for a healthier future. And someone like myself, who is also a scientist by trade, I know the importance of investing in research, innovation and evidence-based medicine. Behind every breakthrough are passionate researchers working tirelessly to improve and save lives. Our community is incredibly fortunate to have such talented people, Deputy Speaker, contributing to the world-class medical research here in St George and in Sutherland.